If you find yourself with a cough, there are certain things you can do to ease a cough. I'm Dan Carlson, I'm a nurse. Certain things that you can do are just increasing fluids, which will make the mucous membrane in your throat a little less dry and you'll have less of a chance of coughing. Using certain medications like cough suppressants in the form of syrups or lozenges are effective. Even using a humidifier, which also will help your mucous membrane in your throat prevent a cough. Try not to prevent a cough from happening, being it's the natural way a body expels certain things. You do want to not look at it as a persistent cough, though, which you may want to see a doctor for, as a persistent cough could be something more serious. But using tea, honey, increasing your fluids, a humidifier, those are all certain ways to help ease a cough. The most being helpful would be medications like cough syrups and cough lozenges. If you do find yourself with a persistent cough, though, definitely consult a physician. I'm Dan Carlson, and that's how to ease a cough.